So I guess I'll give y'all a little drive through, a little ride along. Automatic, no power steering, raspy, V18, no VTEC having. I'm about to ride on this thing. But nah, it's decent of a car. Like I grew to love it when it was like all stock, but I kind of just fell out of it because I just wanted more power out of it. Like driving this thing from, you know, from home to my work, it's kind of not that joyful, you know. You know, I see some fast cars on the road or whatever, Corvettes, you know, I can't even mess with it, you know. I would have to really pick on the Honda Civics and like and like all the other slow cars, like, or naturally aspirated cars. But yeah, it's just nice to cruise in, you know. It brings back memories. I had a 96 Saturn back in the day, just running no AC, windows down. And yeah, big windows all around. You got good visibility. That's the only thing really good about these cars. You know, it's so analog, you know, not all these computers kicking in, barely got traction control. It does have ABS though. Yeah, these cars are simple. Like cheap interior, cheap parts. Most of the parts was bought on like eBay or rockauto.com, or, you know, it's just easily to get parts, like so many options for everything. But it's also, it's a money pit because you can replace so many little parts on this car. It's a little money pit, but like you can, just like little Legos, like little $100 here, $100 there, $100 here, just to try to like spice up the engine bay or replace suspension parts, add bracing. You know, so many things to do to these cars that with the newer cars, they probably already have all that kind of stuff already on it. But yeah, so next purchase, probably like a 90s BMW. Damn, mount ain't working too good. Oh, damn. Y'all heard it first. I just got this fixed and the shit came off already. Yeah, that boy, the exhaust rusted off and broke down. I'm about to get this boy fixed properly. Over and out. Last modification getting done before she leaves. This is what the guy did yesterday. That shit didn't hold. So I took off the whole axle back exhaust mid pipe. So we're about to put on that DC Sport. They're about to put some type of piping here. And yeah, we're gonna be ready to go.